We're going to begin a very special announcement today.
I'm really delighted to be opening this Farnborough Airshow with a big announcement. And with your arrival, Sir Richard, and the Virgin Atlantic management to Farnborough with our A350 XWB. And you could see it, it's because for the fifth time in your history, you are supporting a strategic partnership with Airbus, and this time will be around the 350-1000. We all know that it will be a new generation aircraft, which enters service in 2017 with better standards in quality, with, of course, a green approach, with excellent engines from Rolls-Royce, fuel burn reductions, noise reduction, and this is probably the reason why you elected this aircraft. So thank you very much for this mark of confidence, and I hand over to you.
Virgin Atlantic has selected the Airbus A350-1000 airplane for an order of 12, beginning delivery in 2019 through 2021, to be our large wide-body aircraft. This represents a very significant investment in Virgin Atlantic's future, bringing us one of the youngest, cleanest, and greenest fleets in the sky. Valued at over $4.4 billion, it's an investment that indicates our optimistic view of where this company and this industry can head, and delivers per-seat cost improvements significant versus the airplanes that it will be replacing.
It is the fifth plane that we've taken from Airbus, and we've had a wonderful relationship for many, many, many years now. We are determinedly trying to get our carbon output down, our fuel burn down, and this plane immediately achieves 30% of that. So we're very excited. Virgin Atlantic has been around for something like 30 years. I think the A350 will make sure that it's around in 30 years' time. Thank you very much, Airbus.
Okay, do you want to get in? Go inside.